This video will show you how to rename a Google Sheets file in multiple ways. Once you're in your Google Sheets file, hover your mouse cursor over the upper right side of the opened Google Sheets file. Once you're there, just click the editable box to rename it. And just type the title you want to put there. Let's say File 1. And then just click Enter. You can also click the search box here. It's located just below the box earlier. And then type the word rename. Click Enter key or just click it using your mouse cursor. And it will automatically select the current name or title of the Google Sheets file for you to edit. And just type the title you want for it. This time let's say Cute Animals. Just click the Enter key for it to save. You can also rename a Google Sheets file even if you haven't opened it yet. When you're in your Google Drive, go to where the Google Sheets file is located. Mine is currently located here in Recent because I opened the file seconds ago. Using your mouse cursor, move it to the right side until you get here on the 3 dots that you see here. Then click it. And click Rename. And here just type the title you want for your Google Sheets file. Here you can type how many or how long characters you want for your Google Sheets file, because as you can see here, it seems like it has no limit. Once you're done typing the title, just click OK. And those are the multiple ways to rename a Google Sheets file. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.